I just turned it off. Oh my god, mountain climber. So my mom bought a gingerbread house. This is all I needed. It's currently 1 a.m. I'm about to take apple cider vinegar. And I'm so tired. Workout killed me. Whoa. First time I looked at myself today. I don't know what time it is. I was like 11, almost 11. I know it's like almost, I don't know. But I just woke up, I look like this, and my body is already feeling it, and it hasn't even been 24 hours, so I'm kind of low-key freaking out because right here already hella hurts. My hamstrings and my quads. My abs are fine. I think I'll do abs today. I didn't really work out abs that hard yesterday. Man, even my chest hurts right here. I'm gonna do a crunch, and if it hurts, I'm gonna work out anyways, but if it doesn't hurt as bad. If it hurts super bad, I won't do it. Okay, no it doesn't. Alright, so I'm gonna work out abs today and maybe do cardio. I need to start getting back into cardio because I'm gonna go back into soccer soon, and if I can't run, then you can't play soccer. Hopefully I do go back into soccer during spring. So I'm gonna work out like right now, but instead of listening to music, I'm gonna watch TV because I'm not really like right now. It's like I am just still waking up. Master Chef while I work out, because I'll just do, I mean, like maybe 30 minutes, and if anything I'll do a HIIT one that's not arms because my arms are like dying already. All right here. This is not a flattering angle for me. I found that out yesterday. My heater is so loud, it's not even funny. So yeah, I'm gonna work out. I'm not excited for it, but I'm gonna do it. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink some water. It has been a full hour and I have not worked out. I said I was gonna work out at 10:50. It's 11:50. So here I am. I changed, so I moved. I have no motivation anymore. Like I had motivation for a good like 7 minutes. And I'm also like kind of hungry, but like I don't really want to eat, you know what I'm saying? And my body is like, I feel like I worked out in November like 4 days in a row and then carried it on to the, I did, that's why it feels like so much, because I did the last 3 days in November and then the first, no, I did the last 4 days in November. Didn't work out the first because I was hella sore. Worked out the second, didn't work out the third, fourth, and then worked out the fifth, and then didn't work out 6th or 7th, and then worked out the 8th, which isn't that bad if you think about it, because I did 4 days in a row, which is good for me. And then I did 1 day, took a rest day, no, took 2 rest days. I did 1 rest day, did a day, took 2 rest days, and then did a day. And then now I'm gonna do my other day, so that's 2 days in a row. But like I want to work out, it's just my body's like, no you don't, but like I do, like in here. I'm gonna finally start working out. Oh my. Alright, I'm motivated right now. I might as well take advantage of this.
Vegetarian of over 10 years. I really wanted to show that regardless of never having eaten crab or meat, I can do just as well as anybody else in here. So I'm gonna get up on that balcony today, you'll see. Oh.
Chef Gordon Ramsay has presented to me today. Everything is at stake. I am not going back home.
Iowa, so it's not very common that we have fresh crab, but
oh my god.
So I really apply the same skills in cooking when it comes to cross-contamination, being organized, and you know, if you have everything in place and have a plan.
My glasses are falling off. I didn't change glasses.
Shanika is absolutely trembling.
Open that up.
She's talking to herself.
Hey, let's go, guys. Come on.
All right, face that way.
Immaculate presentations.
This one was only 3 minutes. So yeah, that one really does hurt though. Like that 3 minutes pretty intense. It's Gabriella Whitehead. Okay, I'm kind of happy I'm working out now. I feel good. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, we're gonna do a Chloe Ting one. Alright, yeah, there you go. 3 minutes in, I have all those workouts to do. That adds up to about 15, 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. I don't know, that's better than nothing, to be honest. Even 15-minute workout is okay. But I just like to work out for more than 30 minutes.
Josie, how do you feel you did?
I feel I did great. I think I got more than enough crab out of the shell.
Have you done this before?
I have.
Okay. The front claw.
Doing pretty good for a 19-year-old from Maine.
So, Alicia, out of your comfort zone tonight.
Yes, sir.
And knocked out a crab that I gotta say is pretty spectacular. You're safe. So please go up to the balcony.
Oh my god, it's way too dark and I don't know why. There you go. Jeez, that was stupid.
Yes, chef. We never stand still in any kitchen.
As a future dentist, that razor blade.
Do you know what that means in our world?
A lawsuit.
A lawsuit. You are not safe. And a word of warning.
My stomach. As a medical professional, I'm trying to make people healthy. So for him,
Dear, do you think that was a good decision? I mean, it looks horrible. To be very honest, it's like a slap in the face of the crab.
No, chef.
Derek.
so hey, we're gonna see how I'm gonna do here. And
Oh my god, these hurt.
thank you, sir. That's a mistake that is very costly. It could have cost me $250,000. I don't know yet.
There's a break. Oh, we're doing all that again. Cool. Okay, done with that workout.
Salt and pepper.
Did I record the whole thing? I did. Okay, so this is my next workout. It's another ab workout. That is the workout. It's lower abs. I did lower abs yesterday too. So I've been working out for 13 minutes, which is kind of pathetic. Because I'm like kind of like a lot sweating, but again, it is Chloe Ting, and she knows how to like push you to the limit, which is why I love her workout so much. Yeah, we're gonna keep going.
If you can't do this, then you can minutes remaining.
We just thought what was going on.
Get in there. You're here for a reason. Right, good luck.
Thank you.
We are halfway. 15 minutes remaining. Just get down in that warm water. All right, good luck. Thank you. 10 minutes remaining. Holiday should be finished. Crab usually seasons.
Oh my god, mountain climbers.
So that is going to...
Here's to the stair takers. At the perfect hotel when you're ready and safe. Add-on advantage.
Finishing.
Crunch time, y'all.
Taste everything, y'all.
Just keep moving.
60 seconds remaining.
Just finished that workout, so I've been working out for 25 minutes. I need to go change the battery to this, and I'll see you guys when I'm gonna do another workout. Okay, change the battery. My lower abs are gonna be dead. Okay, and I'm gonna do this 15-minute shredded abs workout, also by Chloe Ting. And I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna show the whole thing because I feel like I've been putting way too much vlog footage of me working out. I am done with that workout. 40 minutes down, 10 more to go. I'm dying. Look, can you tell? It's a lot more than yesterday. What the heck? Yesterday I worked out like hella hard. Okay, 10 more minutes and then we're done here, and I'm gonna go shower. I don't even know how I managed to work out this early. Okay, it's actually 1 o'clock. I have 8 or 9 hours to do what I need to do. So I'm gonna work out these 10 minutes and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright, this workout I'm about to do, I've done it 3 times already. I have 2 more times to do it. You do it 5 times.
Chelsea, I don't want them standing there with nothing.
So that's what we're doing.
At some point, when it becomes very clear that she's in the weeds with the chicken, we are not prepared for 101 brewers to come through.
Right. But you know what? This Chicago Italian girl has a family restaurant too. So I really don't know what you're doing.
Blue team! Hey, stop. You come here. You come here.
This one is stupid, but it works, so whatever.
Come on, the trash. And trust me, if we can salvage it, I'd salvage it. But you know damn well we can't salvage that.
Come on, don't give up, guys. Don't give up.
30 seconds rest in between each set. I'm done. Ow. I am done. Worked out for 50 minutes. I'm done and I'm sweaty. Alright, I'm gonna go shower. Just got out of the shower. And frankly, I'm too lazy to make my dumpling things, so I'm not gonna make them right now. I'm gonna go on my laptop and maybe watch some YouTube. Oh, I also whitened my teeth. You can't really tell because I have my retainer on, but yeah. In this Odd Ones Out video, and it's so funny. I love it. Our cats, and it's so funny. I love it. Okay, so this is like my breakfast, lunch, brunch. It's like 2 right now. It's 3. Great. Okay. I have a little bit of ginger and some sweet Thai chili sauce with 7 dumplings in here. That's what was left from my mom's video, so I just ate the rest. And I'm watching I'm Alex's video, and then I have like a bunch of other videos I want to watch, but I kind of want to watch MasterChef. I'm not really sure. I love this song. I came across it on accident on yesterday. Yesterday. It's called Crush by Tessa Violet. Oh my gosh, is going on here. I think I'm gonna straighten my hair so I can be cute. I think I'm gonna do an OOTD video when I get a pair of pants, because right now I currently have 1 pair of pants and I'm kind of mad about it. They're Fashion Nova pants, but like they're getting ratchet because my mom has had them for like 2 years and then I had them, so yeah. And I wear them like basically every day, and if I don't wear those, I wear my workout pants, which aren't the warmest because they all have mesh in them. And if I don't wear those, I wear sweats. But I really want jeans. I want black ripped jeans. So right now I'm currently listening to this song because it's amazing and I want to. And I'm watching Annika's Vlogmas 2018 week 1 after I listen to the song because I need to listen to it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm being really boring. I need to go get my retainer because my teeth are starting to hurt. You're gonna come with me. And also, my body is literally broken. Like, you know, kind of like that. What you doing? Watching a video. Oh. It's really cloudy outside. And I don't mind. I'm watching a bunch of videos. Alex came out with a new video today, so he's really super funny and I love him. You should subscribe to him. And Annika's also really amazing. I love her. She's my age and it doesn't make any sense how beautiful she is, but whatever. And yeah, today's a really boring vlog. I think after I'm done with all this, I'm gonna do my laundry, and I can't face mask because there's no more apple cider vinegar. I also can't take it tonight. I don't know. There's just a lot. And then I think that's all that I'm gonna do because I'm lazy. So my mom bought a gingerbread house.
We're so confused.
But it's already built.
Like, I wanted to build the walls.
Yeah, and make it look dumb, but it's already built. This isn't fresh. And it just has like a bunch of...
What is that? What the heck is actually like my butt?
Okay, so I just had a minute with my mom about the gingerbread house and stuff. And then I made some rice, I drank some coffee, having a good time. We don't have any more coffee, so we ran out of apple cider vinegar and coffee. Everything is just gone. We're gonna have healthy dinner again, so that's exciting.
There's a video in this, right? Namely, by the fact the guy's got yeet. Just written across.
Ew, what am I doing? Okay. I'm watching this guy who has Memalicious in his video. Memulous, not Memulicious. Memulous in his video, and it's really flippin' funny. It's about Collinski. I personally hate him. He's so annoying. So I'm watching videos. I still have not gotten up to do my laundry. You know what? You know what I'm happy about though is I worked out already. That's always my like biggest struggle. But I probably should be editing instead of watching video. Alright, I'm gonna edit. It's okay, here's the thing. I can't even like stop editing and just go to watch a video really quick for like 20 minutes. Because you can't have anything else open on my laptop for some odd reason. Like YouTube just shuts down. Let me show you. I'm gonna open Adobe. Adobe is opening. Okay. Freaking focus, my dude. Hello. Oh my god, my mom's calling me. Yeah! Hold on! I just turned it off! Yeah. You guys literally caught that on camera, me freaking out about the rice that I did in fact forget about. And this won't focus. This is basically forcing me to start editing. Me showing you this. Take a look at. That's what happens. It just doesn't play anything, and you can't play music. It says there's an error. You can't do anything with Adobe open on my laptop. We've restarted my computer, we've cleared it, we've done everything we could, and it just always does it. So every time I have to do something, I have to close Adobe. I'm doing my laundry. Like, she didn't get apple cider vinegar. Oh my gosh, the two things I was telling you guys earlier that we ran out of, it's right here. Oh my god, and she bought mascara.
That's like the pack bag.
This is me. This is all I needed. My mascara smells like chemicals that you can smell it off my eyelashes. This, I ran out and I could put a face mask and I couldn't take it. And coffee is literally me, and I found my water bottle. Oh my god, thank you, Lord Jesus, I can take coffee to school now. I lost my water bottle, so I couldn't take coffee to school this whole week.
Where was it?
And I was in my closet.
What the heck?
I don't know. We're gonna build this gingerbread house. I'm about to eat a healthy dinner and I'm excited. I'm gonna do face mask. Where is it?
Right here.
I need the brush. You know where it is?
Give me. Oh. I didn't know what brush you meant.
I'm recording. My mom got me face wash too, and I'm kind of happy about it. That's not good. Dude, you literally got me everything I needed. My mom got our dog a food because his little one is so pathetic, but look at that.
I can't.
What else do you want? Hi! Oh my god!
Well, I don't think that was your bed.
Oh, who went home? Did she go home? No! I really liked her. Oh, she didn't. Are you face masking?
For that? I'll put some on my channel.
I'm gonna go put on a thing. 1 potato, 2 potato. Alright, I'm about to edit with this face mask on. Okay, I'm gonna go put this spaghetti shot. I don't look attractive at all. Okay, here's my dinner. It's the same as we had this yesterday. Could have been.
Did you put ginger?
Yeah, this is ginger.
Oh my God, I hate you.
Okay, so this is ginger, and then a bunch of rice, chicken, sriracha, vegetables, and barbecue sauce. Okay, so I ate, and I took my face mask off. You can tell my face is really red. Like, okay, back up the thing. My hair is huge. I'm gonna straighten it because this is just kind of like, I don't know. And we're watching MasterChef right now, and then I'm gonna put these last few clips in, and then I'm done editing. In tomorrow's vlog, I'm gonna insert like a little tiny bit of us doing the gingerbread house. I was gonna wait, but I just want to put the vlog up already. It's still 7:06. So yeah, and I have school tomorrow, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my vlog. Bye. I said that way too many times.